Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into mental toughness, 25 techniques to improve your mind to achieve all your goals. If you're looking to build resilience, self-discipline, and achieve your goals, then stick around because I'll cover some game-changing techniques you can start using today. Part 1. Introduction to Mental Toughness. So, what is mental toughness, really? It's our ability to stay focused, resilient, and determined, even when things get tough. Mental toughness is the skill that keeps you pushing through challenges, staying disciplined, and working toward your goals even when motivation fades. Part 2. Building resilience. One of the first steps in mental toughness is resilience. The book highlights resilience as the backbone of mental strength. Here are a few techniques for building resilience. Reframe negative thoughts. This means turning "I can't" into "How can I make this work?" Accept what you can't control. Let go of what's out of your control and focus on what you can influence. Part 3. Developing self-discipline. Discipline is at the heart of achieving any big goal. To get there, try these methods. Set small daily goals. Aim for small, achievable tasks. Completing these builds confidence and momentum. Use temptation bundling. Link something you want to do with something you need to do. For example, listen to your favorite music only while working out. Part 4. Overcoming procrastination. Procrastination is one of the biggest obstacles to mental toughness. The book gives powerful strategies to help with this. Break tasks into microtasks. Dividing big tasks into smaller, manageable parts reduces overwhelm. Apply the 5-minute rule. Start working on a task for just 5 minutes. Once you start, you're likely to keep going. Part 5. Staying calm under pressure. When the pressure is on, staying calm is essential. Here are a couple of techniques. Practice deep breathing. Slow, deep breaths activate the body's relaxation response. Use visualization. Picture yourself succeeding in a challenging situation. This helps reinforce your confidence and focus. Part 6. Building confidence. Confidence is a critical component of mental toughness. Here's how to build it. Set realistic, incremental goals. Achieving smaller goals consistently boosts self-belief. Keep a success journal. Track your wins, big or small. This reinforces positive self-reflection and helps you stay motivated. Part 7. Managing stress effectively. The book also emphasizes managing stress, since chronic stress drains mental energy. A couple of techniques. Practice gratitude. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on things you're grateful for. Take regular breaks. Our minds need downtime to stay productive and focused. Part 8. Staying consistent and committed. Consistency is what ties it all together. Here's how to stay on track. Use accountability partners. Share your goals with someone who can keep you accountable. Create routines and rituals. Set up habits that automatically lead you towards your goals. Part 9. Thoughts. Developing mental toughness is about small, daily choices that build up over time. The techniques in mental toughness offer a toolkit for building resilience, self-discipline, and confidence, giving you the edge to reach your goals. Thanks for tuning in. If you found the summary helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Let me know in the comments which technique you're excited to try. And remember, stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep pushing forward.